Ka Trained Nurses Association of India TNAI West Jaintia Hills Unit hakakat tarik Jemang kala Rakhe yak International Nurses Day baju Rakhe manla kasnam hakakat tarik Jemang haka jingalang kabalalong ha Bishop's House Lumbi Sentu mi mentedu West Jaintia Hills District haka bala play yak ni ka program da ka jingthang yak syarak da ubak Ferdinand B Basan Additional Deputy Commissioner Jawai kum Ukongsan haka ni ka program Laidan lang ru u Dr. N. Nongtudu Woodland WK Hospital Sabak Muswang West Jaintia Hills District kum usimbut Kongsan bat ka kong I Khardun Assistant Director of Nursing President TNAI State Branch kum konong syakhot ngobha ka phang padang jong kani ka jingrakhi kalong our nurse our future the economic power of care ka kedaw tang ha ka bayadai bat ka benta ka bakongsan jong kinos ha kalyang kakot kakya, Henry Ru ha kalyang kayo kakot, bat kajing kordor ha kajing ajing syakri. Ha kajing keren ukongsan ulap pedang bat ay kajing ero ya kakenhun jong kinos, halor kajing kot jing mut bas kem jongki, bat halor kajing ajing syakri, kabakraw na kabenta ka imlang kasalang. Ulap penslur ru ya ki bakin yay beteng ya kanika kambab ha ka jongki. Kat bana kalyang u Dr. N. Nongtudu, ulapan pao yala kajong kajing syam halor kajing kongsan jong kinos, ha kajing ya lenti kajong una kabentaban yopan ya kajing kot jingkya. Ulapan pao bakinos kidan ya kabenta kabakongsan, na kabentaban ajing sumar bak kajing kersyan, kabaklam syong tait na kabenta kinongpang. Ula syemru ya kinos kum ubut lum jong katanat ajing sumar, kimarjan bat kinongyarap bat nongyada na kabenta kinongpang. Ha kani ka program layo ru ka jingkran halor ka teka phang na ka kong meba ay talang nursing tutor Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital Jawai ha ka balapan pa bakinos kilong ki atyar ki bala ban penkelador ya kalaway ha ka jing tarekam ha kalyang ka kot ka kya bat halor kumno kidan ya ka benta ka bakongsan ha kalyang ka yo ka kon. Ka Nurse Association kala samru da ki mementos syakinos ki bala syong that kum ka jing ithu ya ka jing syakri ba kordor ha ka jing im ka jongki. Ki weipat ki bala ajing keran ha ka ni kasngi ki kenthop ru ya ka kong I Khardut Assistant Director of Nursing President TNAI State Branch haringkat ka jingadan lang ka Dr. A Paswat Medical Superintendent Jawai Civil Hospital Yalong Dr. War Medical Superintendent MCH Panaliar bat kiwei.
Very proud to say that despite the fact that so many challenges that you face every day, the things that we do not know, especially when we go to a hospital, we don't know what actually is happening to you. We don't know how are you being cared about. We don't know how is your family at home. We don't know what is your financial benefits. We don't know what are the stress you're facing. But despite all these challenges and circumstances that you face, you come to the hospital, and like Dr. Nongtru has said, you are the lifeline of the hospital. Without you, the hospital will be empty. Only a doctor cannot perform anything at all. You are the miracle workers. You are the ones who put smile on people's faces when they get up and they walk back to their homes. I think the most stressful work is your work. Why? Because every day you see life, you see death. It is in you that you can put smiles on people's faces and you can put a frown on people's faces. I've had so many experiences, especially when I was posted in Meghalaya that time during the COVID pandemic. And I can imagine how stressful I am just because the fact that people come and ask me, can I go to Syllad? Can I do this? Can I do that? At some point of time, I felt so stressful that, I said that, no, I cannot do this. I cannot do this anymore. Why? I felt that my well-being was being challenged. I felt that something is wrong with me. I became very angry all the time. Because why people keep asking so many questions. What is going to happen? My daughter's in Syllad, she's stuck. How will I bring her back? Oh, I don't want to give injection. I don't want to take the vaccination. I want to open my shop. So many challenges that we face at that point of time that I would really understand, especially when we had when we have this program, especially in the vaccination program, that many people don't want, and the nurses are being constantly asked that they should perform their tasks, and it is very difficult to make people understand. So on this special day of yours, this nursing day, I would like to give a few tips, especially which is very important, not just as nurses but as human beings, as people who do our daily jobs. I know I cannot give you any assurances or even promise you even a small thing regarding your economic, your financial status, things which are outside my purview. But these things you can take it up with your respective institutions, you can take up with your respective government to address the needs that you require. You have a very strong body of nurses, you have your association, please take up these issues, especially regarding whatever it is that you have, your demands, your wants, how you can perform better in your office. But what you can do is very simple. I will ask all of you, every day you see blood, every day you see death, every day you see life. And sometimes it's very stressful. But you should take care of yourself also. Take care of your emotional needs. Take care of the things around you that matters to you also. Because why? If you are happy, then that happiness will transform you into the work that you do.
Nurses are the heart of each and every hospital. You all are the mothers of the hospital. Without you, hospital will be very empty. And some of the nurses are the teachers, the professors, and they are the one who give discipline to the people, or to the nurse who are still learning in the university. I have been there with Ms. Bailinda. I have seen how they disciplined, and I believe nurses are very disciplined in their work. So when I was in the ICU, I remember that without the nurse, I would not have made it today, to be honest. The nurses are there with me from morning till the night, and they give me love, they give me care, they give me support. And I realized that nurses are not simply staff that we can just think like, yeah, maybe they are just small below the doctors and all. It's never like that. I always find that after what I have experienced, I always found out that nurses are way superior than us doctors, because you are the mothers, you are the caregiver, you are the protector, you are the supporter, and in fact you are the healer. Some nurses are even good at healing the soul, comforting the people who are about to die. We doctors, we don't have time for that. That is, so frankly speaking, we come, we write, we go, we come, we check, we go. But then in the end of the day, it's all in your hand to make hospital or university a better place for the ill and the sick people.